Friends, Vande Mataram. So before we go ahead for the predictions of Nifty May 2024, before we go ahead, let me tell you the prediction I have given for April end 2024 and what I have predicted and what was the actual outcome. So if you would see my last video of April 2024, then I had predicted that Nifty would stand by 22,500 by end of April 2024. And today, since I'm giving you live video on 30th of April, it's 5 p.m. and just 1.5 hours before, Nifty got closer by 22,604. So I can say that this is a 100% accuracy or nearby accuracy. So the predictions were very accurate on this month, and I know there is a lot of queries by many people, and they want that I should come weekly and provide weekly predictions so that the accuracy should level should be very fine. But that's not possible because of many reasons, because of my non-availability also. I can see many questions by you people are coming, and just give me a moment, let me finish all this prediction. So the May 2024 prediction for all of you. So after giving you data, I'm definitely going to see all your questions, and after this video we also have another live video by 5:30 p.m. Hindi users. So on 1st of May, I can see that market will go down, and but again there is I think tomorrow holiday, maybe Maharashtra Day or something else. I saw maybe news 3-4 days ago, but since I have already prepared the data, so on the 1st of May, I don't know the actual things, but I can see a downtrend for Nifty. And 2nd of May, I can see a little higher side, around 30 to 40 points Nifty would go high. 3rd of May, till 12:50 p.m. I can see Nifty going higher, and after 12:50 p.m. it will start going down, and downtrend I can see around 70 to 85 points. On 4th and 5th May it's a holiday, and on 6th of May I can see Nifty going down. And yes, before we go ahead, I just want to say that since I'm not the member of SEBI, SEBI, and AstroKapoor is not registered with SEBI, so whatever the predictions I'm giving you here is totally mundane astrology based, and whatever the profit, loss, etc. would be there, that would be your responsibility. So 7th of May, as I mentioned, on 6th of May, trend will be down, and on 7th of May, I can see market would be going up till 1 p.m. and after then Nifty would, I can see, going down. 8th of May, around 40 point up. 9th of May, down in the morning till 11:15 a.m. means market will open negative in the morning till 11:15 a.m. and then start going up gradually, and the closer by 3:30 end of the day can be expected around 80 points. Kamakshi has mentioned that tomorrow is 1st of May, Labor Day. I'm sorry, I had no idea. Thank you Kamakshi for messaging. So 10th of May, a little higher side, and little whenever say that the definition is around 20 to 30 points. So on 11th and 12th May, it's holiday, Saturday and Sunday. Now 13th of May, I can see market would be going high since opening, like the market will open positively and it would go high till 2 p.m. and after then I can see downtrend, and the closer will be on the downside around 40 points down. 15th of May, it is a kind of day, it's a very shocking kind of day that here people can get shocked, a lot of up and down, and sudden down, market can go sudden down, the Nifty on 15th of May. So if it would go down, don't worry about anything, and you can work positively. You can start buying for future, because I can see a very good Nifty trend by end of the month, that I'm going to tell you people. And before this, let me give you one tip. Yes. For the traders, I can see that here I'm giving you tip nearby 9th of May for the trader, about this whole month. So a lot of up and downs will be there. So there are a lot of chances to book profit, and especially for the traders. So if you feel that Nifty would go down around 22,300 nearby 9th of May, then you should start buying for the upper side, because by the end of May, I can see Nifty, that data I'm going to give you in the last label. So you don't need to be worried if Nifty would go down. On 16th of May, 40 points higher after 2:20 p.m. Means in the morning, lot of fluctuation will be there in the market. So after 2:20 p.m., a market will go positive, and in the morning, the downtrend will be there. Up and down will also be there, but the closer will be around 40 point high. On 17th of May, 80 point higher, upper side. 18th and 19th, it's holiday, Saturday and Sunday. 20th of May, I can see Nifty going around, lot of up and down will be there for the whole day, but the trend will be on up and down will be there, definitely. So, a lot of confusion is there on this day. So I would say be careful on this day, because I can see the neutral base of the market, after a lot of up and down. So this day I can see this is good for traders. So they can book a lot of profit on the upper side and downside also. And 21st of May, around 55 point up. And on 22nd May, it's a Buddha Purnima, holiday is there on Wednesday, so it's a off. 23rd May, it's down. 24th of May, it's again down. 25th and 26th of May, it's a holiday, Saturday and Sunday. 27th of May, opening will be in the negative side, and it will remain till 10:30 morning, and after then trend will start going on the upper side in a positive way. So on this day, banking sector I can see going high, and Nifty will be also on the higher side. So the day is positive for the market. 28th of May, around 50 point high. 29th of May, I can see the trend on the higher side, upside. But here I don't want to give any figure. On 30th of May, I can see market is going upper side since morning, means morning will be opening, market will be opening in the positive way till 1:30 p.m. only, as per the astrological calculations. And after then I can see downtrend as compared to the previous day. On 31st of May, 80 points upper side, higher side. Now Label I can see by end of the month is 23,069 again as per the mundane astrology calculation. So friends, whenever I provide any data, be careful because this is a market, anything can happen. Though I know you people trust on my predictions, and 95% nearly predictions have been coming true since last 4 years. And because it's a totally market, and risk is always there in the stock market. So if something goes wrong, like any war-like situation, any calamities, any new policies by the government, elections are going on, any new trend within the parties, any viral video or something else of any industrialist or any party, then definitely something wrong can happen anytime. So be ready for the risk also. And the people who do not study the market and they just go with the trend, when their acquaintances, they guide them that they should buy this, they should sell this at this time, etc. Be careful, because this is not the market, this is not the cup of tea of everyone. Again, friend, this is a market, and it's not even a gambling. It's a kind of, when you have a very sound knowledge about industry, how the industries are working, what are the policies by the government, and how these these companies and government sectors are being influenced by the foreign traders, foreign investment, etc. So many people, they say that okay, this is just like a gambling. Yes, I understand that. Sometime this is like an operator game also for few penny stocks, but it's not always. Like 99.50% the market is positive also always, and it's go with the fundamentals of the companies. So be positive also. And if we talk about Bharat, our country, so we should be positive, because we are not the country now that if something is happening within Nasdaq or other countries' stock market, and earlier it used to happen that effect was there in our country also, but we are the different country now. So we should be very, very positive under the strong leadership we have right now. And yeah, the common question every time, every month, which I mention to the people, that uh, this is not the market for everyone, because if your fifth house in your horoscope, if it is not strengthened, if it has no connection with your second, 11th, ninth, or 8th house, whatever the way we have a aspect or conjunction, or the nakshatra connections of these houses, or the bhava connections, or any significator connection. So if you have such kind of a connection within these houses, then only you can get profit from this market. And depends on in which way you would book profit, whether in the long term investment, short term, short sales, future and options, commodities, gold, silver. Yeah, I remember the thing about the gold. I'm going to give you a video of gold also. I have prepared all the data, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, anytime I can give you live video for the gold. I know you people have a lot of trust on me about the gold prediction, as I had predicted that gold would touch around 71,000 in 2024, and it happened also. The correction time I have already mentioned, but yes, in this month I am going to give you day wise prediction about gold also. Yes, about the people have a question that how they can get to know that this market is suitable for them. For them, I have a tips that please get your horoscope checked from your corporate astrologer or any stock market astrologer. Yes, I do provide astrological predictions on the basis of your chart. I can tell you also that on which part you should go in the stock market, whether it's too suitable for you or not. But friends, waiting time is very, very high when you would book consultation from me. So if you want, you can book the consultation, and the waiting time is around 2 months. So if in the meantime, if you want to take a refund, you can connect with our team and they would happily refund your amount within 24 hours. So before we go ahead, let me see. A lot of questions are there. Sunny Films, Lakhan Sankhala, Jai Shri Ram, आपको भी. Mohit Jindal, you have asked about one script. Here I have mentioned already that I am not the member of SEBI, so I cannot tell you that which shares you should buy and which one you should stop. So I hope you understand. But yes, the kind of stock you're talking about, it's very high nowadays, and yeah, glamour industry is growing, and it will give you benefit also. Rajesh Sharma ji has mentioned that my predictions of Nifty closing at 22,600 for April end is 100% correct. Also, the day-wise Nifty prediction were all bang on. So thanks Rajesh ji for your appreciation. Abhaya rocks. Though 25,000, I cannot see Nifty as I have already mentioned. The figure is 23,069 point as per the mundane astrology calculation. And again, someone has mentioned about one script. So, as I mentioned, I cannot comment on this. And I can just note down your few questions which I don't want to mention in front of everybody. I'm just watching your questions. About Pradeep Agarwal ji want to know about mutual fund. Pradeep, you must have uh, heard in the media also, whenever any mutual fund company they are giving their ad that this is all market risk and you should be very careful. And astrology says the same also. Be careful. Whenever you're investing on any mutual fund or SIP, you will have to be very careful. You need to study the market well. I cannot see any specific question from you people, and soon I will have one another session in Hindi after yeah after 5:30. So if someone want to join again, you can join me. Ashok Hirabat has mentioned something. Yeah, almost I have mentioned the same in my predictions today. Kishore Kumar has mentioned that I have predicted gold 2.5 per gram 10. I don't know, like Kishore, I'm not able to understand your question. What is 2.5 per 10 gram? I have not mentioned such kind of things. Maybe you have misunderstood something else. VM has asked one question when Nifty would cross 25,000. Elections are going on, and since I have already mentioned that which party is expected in the center, and I have predicted 5 years ago itself, and along with the seats I have mentioned, you can check all my those videos about which party is going to be in the center. So the trend will be very positive. So 25,000 I can see. Let's see that if this figure which I have mentioned would cross this point first, and then we would be able to predict something about June and nearby election. Definitely something is going to be very positive. if the astrological prediction which I have mentioned goes true, and definitely those are going to be true for the central election which I have already predicted. Someone is saying Shalini Chawla that I have mentioned 2.5 lakh 10 gram gold. No, I have not mentioned anywhere. And if I have said something, maybe I wanted to say something else. And you people, maybe you can share me the video link, or if you can mention where actually I have mentioned something like this. No, I never said this. Gold is not going to come down. Guys, please be careful. It will be the correction will be there around 60,000, 68,000 per 100 gram, but I cannot see 2.5. Okay, 2.5 lakh 10 gram. No, no, sorry. 2.5 lakh 100 gram. I have said, not 10 gram. Maybe someone has mentioned also, maybe I have mentioned tola. Tola is 10 gram. Maybe that was a skip of tongue. As you people know that I don't prepare much for my videos, and when you're giving live, then there might be the possibility of skip of tongue. So please, my apology if I said something wrong, and it's let me correct again. I have mentioned that gold will go higher around 2.5 lakh, and I have given the timeline also, that is for 100 gram, not for 10 gram. Nitin has asked question about land prices, real estate. Nitin, long ago I had predicted a video about the same, and if you have a request, then I can take your request on this part, then that where the market would go down in the coming years. And whatever I had predicted around 3 years ago is coming true already about the market price, land, properties, etc. Nitesh Thakkar has again asked question that 68K correction I meant for 100 gram. How can it be possible, my friend? Nitesh, do you think so? Gold will be 100 gram by 68,000. So please, if I'm saying something, you need to connect with the dots. 68 means 10 gram. 68,000 for 10 gram means 66 lakh 80,000 is for 100 gram. So friends, please give me permission to me for today. And if you want to book any consultation for you people for stock market, astrology, your predictions, along with that, definitely I'm going to cover all the other aspect also. Numbers are given below the screen, but yes, the waiting period will be around 2 months, so that you need to wear. And also some urgent services are also there that you can request from my team. So for today, all the best to all of you. Be careful and just check the market before you start buying or selling. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.